I love this backpack because it has so many great pockets, but it still is really clean and chic looking. So in the first pocket here, I have my TSA pouch ready to go with all of my 311 liquids. Bathroom stuff, laundry pods, ID and credit card just attached right in there. Some personal care items like tissues, lint roller, ibuprofen, my passport and itinerary are here. In this pouch I have all of my electronics contained, like the chargers and headphones in here. Snacks, a hoodie and a cashmere scarf that doubles as a travel blanket, eye mask because it's a red-eye flight, blow up neck pillow from Muji, my glasses, and then in this pouch is my laptop. So there's a little place for everything and it's not even that heavy. And that's it.